How to fix Google Meet background not working. First, you want to simply check that your Google Meet application is updated to the latest version. You want to simply go to your Play Store on the device. After that, you want to simply search for Google Meet over here, and if any kinds of update is available, you'd be able to see this update icon like so. You want to simply tap on update over here, and by doing so you'd be able to update the app. After the app has been updated, you want to simply open the app again, and you want to simply join a meeting over here. Once you're inside your meeting, you want to simply tap on you want to simply turn on your video over here first. Once you're inside your meeting, you want to simply tap on this background icon over here, and by doing so you'll be able to see a lot of backgrounds over here that are already available. However, if you want to add your own background, you want to simply tap on this upload option over here, and by doing so your gallery will open and you'll be able to select your photos to keep as background. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below, and I'll see you guys on the next one.